Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's newspaper of Friday, September the 9th, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. You just saw this one I've already solved, and it's time for the regular Sudoku Heavy. Yes, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. And the news of today, yes, I've told you yesterday, Queen Elizabeth dies at 96, and who will follow her up? Well, it's her son. Yes, her son Charles, Prince Charles, will be now King Charles III. He will be. Okay, let's continue. Sudoku Heavy, number 5147. 5147, and what? Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've already counted 28 printed digits. Should be an easier than the 1 star, because the 1 star has 27, and for the 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see if I can manage this. Alright, 50 minutes. But why the publisher publish a heavy one and with 28 printed digits? Well, the neighbor is we have troubles with the sound. All right, let me see. We have a 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, then I need a 1 in these 5 missing numbers, or one of these boxes in this row. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there in this row. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in that column, so no 1 there, so the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row the only place left for the 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1, I need to wait for more information. Okay, 3. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. Okay, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 6. Let me see. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row the only place left for the 5, it should be there. Then 3 2 9 3 oh 3 okay, 9 6 need a 8, need a 2, 5 8 come on 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between in the second column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 in the first, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. So only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Okay. Then. How about, yeah, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5 in this row. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. We have a 5 in that column, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there. We see another 5 in the first row, column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 here in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. Alright. Okay. So now. 6, 7, and then 9. 7, 9, and I'm thinking. 2, 2. Well. Think. 2, 2. Need a 2 here, 2 here, 2 there. 9, 2, 1, 4. 8. Here can be 8. I'm thinking. Come on. It's taking too long. 3, 3. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2, 8, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this column. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for the number 3. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Okay, the 2. 2. Okay. 1 and 6. Come on. 6, 2, and No, 6, 2, and a 7. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. Come on, come on, come on. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Well, these 9 and a 2, 9 and a 2, 9 and a 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The numbers 1, the 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Let me see. 8, 8. 8, 8. 9, 9, 9. 9. 9, 9. 6 and a 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here in the last row. So I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. 7 and 2. 8. 7, 2, and 6. 6 and 1. Well. Thinking. 5, 5. The 9, the 8. Come on. 2, 2. About the 1 then. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, and the 8. 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this row. third row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left in this middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the last column, so the 1 there, 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes, so I'm not very pleased. But we solve it again. Yes, we solve it again. Although it's a heavy Sudoku. Well, let me give this a 2 stars then, because I'm a little bit slower. So well, I enjoyed this one. I hope you also. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later, maybe in the evening or afternoon. I do not know. Need to see for the spare time for the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and maybe we will see very soon. Otherwise tomorrow. Yes, Saturday weekend. Bye bye for now.